Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a fitted mask from one single piece of fabric. This is especially great if you are going to be putting an iron-on decal on it because it's all one piece and you don't have to put it to one side or the other or try and straddle a seam. I will put the link to the specific pattern that I'm using in the link to the video. This is the pattern that I'm using. So you'll print this out and then cut along whatever size that you want. I found that these run fairly large, so you might want to downsize. For whatever size you think you need, I would go down one size. But once you get this cut out, you'll end up with a pattern that looks something like this. I put this on cardstock here, and you'll actually fold your fabric in half, and you'll want the top part facing where your nose dart is, so that smaller triangle there, and you'll place it on the fold, this front line. Place it on the fold, and then you'll cut it out with a rotary cutter. So you'll end up with probably one piece of fabric, but I double folded mine with the right sides together. That way I have two matching pieces of fabric, like so. So this is what you'll end up with after you get everything cut out with your rotary cutter. You will also want two pieces of 6-inch elastic. I found that you can use 6-inch elastic on any size for this pattern as the length of the pattern increases for the face size, so you can just keep using 6-inch elastic bands for that. I start off sewing the nose dart and the chin dart together on both pieces of fabric that I have. The pattern also states to use 1 centimeter seams. I've been using a 1/4 inch because that's what's marked on my machine, and 1/4 inch and 1 centimeter are very, very close. When all 4 darts are sewn, you want to nest those seams together like in what you do in quilting. That way they are perfectly together once we open it up, and then just sew along the bottom and the top edges. Here again, we're nesting those seams together, locking them in. You can use a pin if you want. I haven't. I hate using pins if I feel I don't need to. Once those are done, we'll go ahead and insert our 6-inch elastic. I like to fold it in half and then slide it in, moving each end of it all the way to the ends of my fabric and tuck it into the seams. Make sure you leave one side open. So sew over one side of the elastic, lift up right away after going over the elastic, and then go all the way down to right before you sew the other part of the elastic. That way you're able to turn your work. I always cut the thread of that opening because it's much easier to turn the work without having to work around that thread. Instead of cutting my ends off, I just work them with my fingers and work all the seams out really nice and square. I've got to change my thread for this because I try to conserve my colorful stuff and use neutral colors on the inside because I sew so many masks. To really finish these masks off to look professional quality, I found that I like to sew all the way around with a little less than a 1/4 inch seam allowance there. So to sew up that end of my work, I start with that, and then I just go all the way around the mask, even after I've sewn up the end where it's opened from turning the mask inside, right side out actually. And when I get to an end, I lift my presser foot up but leave the needle down, so then I get really nice square sharp turns. And then I put a locking stitch in, trim all my thread, and you have a really nice professional looking mask. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like and subscribe button, and thanks for watching.